Okay, so let's review simplifying fractions. These are fractions that are equivalent fractions, meaning that they are they are the same as another fraction, but they are in a more complicated form. So by simplifying it, that means that we can write it in a different way. And I'll give you a visual example of this. So for example, okay, let's do 6/10. So if we're looking at, I'm going to draw it this way. Oops, what am I talking about? Tenths. Okay, so here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so if we are coloring in 6/10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There it is, there's 6/10. But this can also be expressed as something a little bit different. So let's see what happens if we did all of this before, but let's see what happens if we divide the top and the bottom by the same number, just like we do with our equivalent fractions. Okay, so 6, because remember it's an equivalent if we can divide the top and the bottom by the same, or if we can multiply by the same. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So let's see why that is also, we can also call that 3/5. So if we were to erase this middle line right here, but we still have the same amount colored in, which we do. Look at what we have. We have 1, 2, 3 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember our equivalent fractions. So here's the easiest way to do it. When you're simplifying fractions, you need to look down your multiplication chart. You need to figure out how are they each divisible by another number. So let's look for 3 and 15. We're going to go down our columns and we're going to ignore the ones. 3 and 15 are not in the 2s. 3 and 15 are in the 3s, and they're not in the 4s or 5s. So there we go. We've got 3 and 15 in the 3s. So we can divide them each by 3. Okay? Divide 3 by 3. Divide 15 by 3. Okay? So when we divide 3 by 3, that equals 1. 15 by 3, that equals 1/5. So 3/15 is the same as 1/5. Okay, let's look at 12 and 18. So we're going to go down our multiplication chart and find 12 and 18. Okay, here they are in the 2s. Here they are in the 3s. Not in the 4s. Not in the 5s. Oh, but look at that. They are in the 6s. Okay, are they in the 7s? Nope. So 6 might be our lucky number. We can go all the way to 6. Okay, so let's try that. 12 divided by 6, 18 divided by 6. Okay, so let's find our 12. 6 times what is 12? 6 times 2 is 12. 18 times what is 6? So, or 6 times what is 18? So go down our 6's. 18 divided by 6 is 3. Oh, there we go. So our fraction is 2/3. Okay, we're going to do another one. 8/10. Ignore the ones. Okay, 8. There's 8 and 10. No 8 and 10 here. No 8 and 10 here. No 8 and 10. Okay, so it has to be in our 2s. We have to divide them each by 2. Okay, so let's do that. 8 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So our answer is 4/5. Okay, so if that was confusing to you, I hope this is helpful and you can continue the rest of the packet.